we're headed up to Iola, Wisconsin for the big swap meet up there. There's a big swap meet and car show this weekend. Tomorrow is setup day, so we're going to get there late tonight, and we'll be there tomorrow for setup day. If you're a real picker, that's the day you go. But I shouldn't tell you that. That's the trade secrets there. What are you frowning for? You're like, don't tell them that. We don't want everybody showing up.
Yeah.
That's all right. Anyway, most people that are watching my show probably aren't pickers anyway. You're just watching the show for the show and all the comedy content.
Yeah, comedy. I thought you had the camera pointing that way. I was over here picking my nose and stuff.
Oh, what are you doing that for? Anyway, we are headed up I-55 right now, headed to Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Right along with us.
What's the deal?
We need to buy a space.
Space
You didn't
swap
buy
meet.
a space yet?
No, the website said to drive on up.
Oh, I see. Well, you're gonna have to ask those guys up
Okay.
there. I hope they're smarter than I am.
I hope you're smarter than them fellas, because they didn't know nothing either.
No, we just know we gotta get these out.
Oh,
and
well.
you give us the tickets.
Oh, we got to
That
give.
part we can take care of.
Okay.
Oh, good. Little goodie bag.
Yeah, goodie bag.
All
Awesome.
right. There are coupons in here for free vittles. Shove it under the bumper.
Shove it into the bumper. All right.
Hey, hold my beer, watch it.
We got our space right here. Z34. He gonna whoop her around, pull it right in. And everybody, it's kind of a cluster right now. Come on. Right here. I'm on the corner of it. That's the other corner right there. Oh yeah, you're way off. You're way off. Straighten her up. There you go, straight back. Keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Right there. Boom, that's good. That's it. We're right on the line, let's see. Oh man, barely over. Iola Swap Meet 2022. We're done.
Done.
We're full of food, full of root beer floats.
Yeah.
Seen all the
out.
parts.
Sore feet.
Yep.
Sore backs.
Yep.
Sleeping in crappy hotels.
The cheapest hotel out there.
But we had a blast.
Yeah. We
Good
found a
time.
bunch of goodies on Tuesday on setup day, and we walked the place 2 times.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah, at least twice. 2.5 times maybe. So I'm hurting. The root beer float's kicking in.
Good stuff though.
Yeah.
If you've never been here, you got to get here.
You
Though.
gotta
This
get
is a great swap
yeah,
meet.
this is awesome. This is great. All right, we're out. It's raining. We got packed up and we're getting out of here. We got a bunch of goodies. We got tons of stuff. Visors, 34 Ford parts, garnish trim, Packard transmission, all kinds of stuff in there. A few Model A wheels and a nice little cabinet. So we're gonna roll out, right, Mike?
Yep, we're gone.
All right.
Headed back to Oklahoma.
See you guys later.
Hey,
Bye.
guys.
Like, share, and subscribe.